The SpaNet keypad is the place to control the main features of your spa, such as the clean cycle, lighting and filtration. In this video, I will point out the main keypad functions as you start to familiarise yourself with the SpaNet controllers. Vortex Spas use SpaNet controllers, and depending on the spa model, the controller model will be SV Mini, which you will only find on the Vortex Gemini, SV2, SV3 or SV4. Please check the tech sheet for your spa model to determine which controller your spa uses. There are many features that can be activated from the controller keypad, and if this seems a bit overwhelming, don't worry. There are only a select few that you need to familiarise yourself with to start up your spa, and the rest you can learn later. I'll now run through those that are a top priority. In this video, I will show you how to use the SV2. The SV3 and SV4 are similar, but they do have a couple of extra functions and features. Pumps. An easy way to determine the difference between the SV2, SV3 and SV4 are by the number of pump buttons on the keypad. For example, there are 2 pump buttons on the SV2, the SV3 has 3 pump buttons, and the SV4 has 4 pump buttons. Okay, back to the SV2. Once you understand the meaning behind each button, using the keypad is pretty straightforward. I'll briefly talk you through the buttons by taking you in a clockwise direction. We have the up and down buttons, the OK button, which is used to enter or save setting adjustments, the sanitize button, which you press once to activate a 20-minute sanitization and cleanup cycle. This refreshes water quality after each spa use, and if you press it again, it will cancel the cycle if it is already running. Next here we have the water temperature and time button. This is a shortcut key, so you can switch between water temperature and time display modes. The light button, blower button. A single push of the button turns the blower on or off. You can use the up and down buttons to vary its speed. A double press will activate the ramping mode. We then have the pump A button. Press to turn the filtration pump on and off. This may be different on a spa with a SV3 or SV4 controller. Pump B button. This controls the jet pump. On an SV3 and SV4, there will be a pump C button and a pump D button which control other jet pumps. We then have the sleep timer indicator LED. The LED will turn on when the controller is in sleep mode. Sanitizer indicator LED. The LED will turn on when the ozone or UV sanitizer is operating. Please note, UV is only fitted to Avante models. Heater indicator LED. The LED will turn on when the heater or heat pump, if fitted, is running. And finally, we have the automatic indicator LED. This will run when the filtration pump is in automatic mode. Changing light modes. To turn the spa lights on, press the light button, then use the up and down buttons to scroll through the choice of light modes. These are white light, user color, fade effect, and step effect. Press the OK button to confirm your light mode selection. Depending on which light mode you select, the keypad will then give you the option to choose a further light mode, user color number, light transition speed, and light brightness. Press the up and down button to scroll through each setting. Press OK to save each setting before you move on to the next setting. Please note that all light settings are saved for future on and off use. Locking the keypad. To lock the keypad, press the up and down and pump A buttons until lock appears on the display screen. This means that if any button is pressed, the function will not activate and the display screen will show lock. To unlock the screen, hold down the same 3 buttons. Partial locking of the keypad. To partially lock the keypad, press the up and down and pump B buttons until lock appears on the display screen. This means if any button is pressed, only pumps, blower, light, and sanitize buttons can be used. To unlock the screen, hold down the same 3 buttons. Now we're going to deep dive into setting up your spa. Setup menu. The setup menu gives you the ability to customize the adjustable controller settings. I will talk you through these settings step by step. To make adjustments, press and hold the up and down buttons together until mode appears on the screen. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through the setup menu items and press OK to confirm an adjustment. Press the up and down arrow to adjust setting and press OK to confirm setting and exit. Please note that all setup menu items follow the same adjustment procedure. The following menu items can be adjusted. Mode. Operating modes. The operating modes affect heating and filtration behaviour. The options available are normal, normal heating and filtration, econ, heating only during filtration, away, heating disabled, filtration is reduced to 1 hour per day, and week. Monday to Thursday works like away mode, and Friday to Sunday works like normal mode. Filtration. Daily filtration time. You can adjust the hours of filtration per day. Please note that filtration limits differ depending on the type of pump. Circulation pump, 2 amps or less, can be adjusted between 1 to 24 hours, and jet pump, 2 speed or 1 speed, can be adjusted between 1 to 8 hours. Filtration cycles. This setting determines how often filtration cycles take place. Filtration can be set to run every 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, or 24 hours. Sleep timers. This function is used to disable automatic heating and filtration at certain times of day or night. When you select the snooze menu, you will have 4 options: sleep timer 1, sleep timer 2, reset timers to default, and exit sleep timer menu. You only need to set 1 sleep timer, but there are 2 timers so you can create different sleep settings on different days. You can set a weekday setting, start time and stop time. The options will appear as day, begin and end, and you use the up, down and OK buttons to adjust and confirm each of the settings. Power save off-peak. One of the ways you can reduce the running costs of your spa is to limit the filtration and heating to occur during off-peak power periods. There are 3 power save modes to choose from. Off, which means power save is disabled. Low, this is off-peak filtration only. And high, off-peak filtration and heating. In order for the control to know when it should activate the power save mode, enter the peak power period. You can do this by entering the begin peak power time and the end peak power time. Automatic sanitizer. You can adjust the start time of the 20-minute automatic daily sanitizer to any hour of the day, from 0 to 11:59. Default display mode. You can adjust the default display mode of the keypad to be water temperature, set temperature, or clock. Timeout. Load timeouts. All accessory loads such as pumps and blowers will automatically turn off after a timeout period has passed. You can adjust the timeout period to be anywhere from 10 to 60 minutes. Hybrid heat pump mode. This is an optional upgrade and an external component to your spa. If you have not chosen this heat pump upgrade, you can ignore this section. If you do have a heat pump, the following options are auto, heat and cool, heat, heat only, cool, cool only, and off, disable heat pump. Element boost. This mode enables or disables the SV electric element. You can either boost the heat pump heating if the water temperature is 2 degrees Celsius or more below the set temperature point. You can also use this function if the heat pump has been operating for more than 1 hour. Off. The element is disabled. Heat pump only. On. Enables the SV element and heat pump. Although these are the most common settings to access, please refer to your Spa user manual for full details. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, you can head to the Spa World Learning Centre. To learn the next step in the Vortex Spa setup guide, click the following link displayed at the end of this video.